Okay, it's recording, go.
This is the Grace and Lexi show, starring Grace and Lexi. Woo!
Just skip the theme today, go.
Today, our special guest is Lexi. Now, Lexi,
When did you get your cold?
I don't have a cold.
Well, why do you sneeze all the time?
I have allergies.
Why do you drink Coke so much?
I like
I think she sneezed on the camera. I got off volume.
Why do you have such ugly hair?
And why did I get a picture of you picking your nose?
I don't pick my nose.
Yeah, you just rub it a lot up your nose. Let's see, that's unladylike.